Everyone, today we are starting our important topic restrict editing in review menu. Okay, see, this is your restrict editing. Restrict editing basically means that you can only read but can't change in your paragraph. Okay, so let's start. First, we have to type insert a simple paragraph equal RANT in enter. Okay, let's start our class. Our important topic restrict editing. Just click on this. ऐसा आपके पास एक इंटरफेस खुल के आता है. Next, get start enforcing protection and enter your password. Just okay, and it's done. Next status. Okay, यहाँ पे हम कुछ भी लिख के देते हैं. You can see this, कोई भी इसको एडिट नहीं कर सकता. ये वाला टॉपिक काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट है, तो प्लीज़ वॉच द फुल वीडियो and then you understand how to use restrict editing. Okay, it's done. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe my channel.